We're looking at another robot vacuum today, and this thing not only vacuums, it mops and even self-cleans. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to ECOVACS Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Today's video is literally about sucking because we're looking at the DEEBOT N8 Plus robot vacuum. Today we're testing to see what it can do, and that just means we're making a mess later on in this video so we can clean it up. Let's get to testing. So this is the DEEBOT N8 Plus vacuum. The robot vacuum itself is a DEEBOT N8 and the Plus is the self-cleaning station. Basically, you can get just the DEEBOT N8 or level up with the Plus, which I recommend, and you'll see why later. Now, if you really want to level up, there's a DEEBOT N8 Pro and a DEEBOT N8 Pro Plus. And these Pro vacuums have more advanced avoidance tech and stronger suction power, but also a bigger price tag. So the DEEBOT N8 Plus, which we're checking out right now, is actually the more budget-friendly option. Both come in black and white, which is great because then you have options to match your home's interior design look. The version we have here is black, which I like because I feel like it matches the studio office feel a little bit more. Anyway, let's look at this vacuum a little more closely. So it does come in this great big box and it's pretty well packed. Also comes with a few other accessories, including that microfiber mop, also some dust bags, and this is a self-cleaning vacuum, so you're gonna need the sealing bag. Let's look at the vacuum real closely. So we have here the vacuum itself. There's a bumper up front, and this is basically for when your vacuum is going around your house, and if there's an obstacle, it'll hit this first, not very strongly, so that nothing gets ruined and the vacuum will decide to go another direction. There are sensors over here, the power button up front, and then you have this cover. You have your power buttons, reset buttons here, the QR code you'll use for scanning to connect to the app. Your dustbin is over here if you need to access it, but since you have the self-cleaning dock, honestly, you're not gonna need to open this thing up a lot. Filter, and this is where the dust goes in. Okay, tiny little detail that I love about this vacuum. A lot of the vacuums that I've seen come with this little brush and blade thing. This is so when stuff gets caught on your vacuum, you can sort of like brush it or cut it away. For this particular vacuum, there is a dedicated little spot for it here so that it's with a vacuum anytime you're gonna need it. I like that. The bottom here, you have a compartment where you're gonna be putting water for when you mop stuff. You can fill up the whole thing and then put it back. This is the underside of the vacuum, and you have these big wheels which sort of can bend, so that's basically all terrain. You have two brushes, you have a tiny little wheel here, sensors and all that. So this is what I just showed you, the water container for the mopping. And then so you have the mop attachment, and you have a few extras that come in the box. How this works, you basically snap it on here. Okay, so if you want to mop, you must fill this up with water, put it back.
Mopping plate has been installed.
You're ready to go. Now let's look at this self-cleaning base. There is a little incline right there. The vacuum climbs up. You have those contact points for charging. The box comes with this nifty little thing, which is something you can add to the dock if you want the dock in a carpeted area. Like I said, this is self-cleaning. How that works, basically open this little thing. This bag is where everything goes, and when it's filled up, all you need to do is pull it up, and that automatically closes the bag, which is amazing because this means it's never gonna spill, and you can just throw this out and you're good to go again. This is the bag we just pulled out. This is a new bag right here, and to install, all you need to do, slide this in, and you're good to go. Another very specific thing that I like about this dock, it has an area which allows you to coil the cord around so that you have just the right length of cord and it's not, everywhere. So you need the ECOVACS Home app so that you can make the most out of this vacuum's features. So we've gone through the whole setup process. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is scan that QR code on your vacuum, or you can connect manually, follow the prompts, and then your vacuum will vacuum for the very first time. It basically will map your home, and then you get something like this, which is a representation of your area. Now you can save these maps and have like a couple of different maps here. So in theory, you can have like saved maps for each area of your home, each level of your home. And then here you have the option to edit cleaning sequences. You have cleaning preferences, so you have power, you have water flow level, and then it gives you the option to empty your dustbin. You also have this custom settings, which lets you do custom clean, so you can sort of edit the size of the cleaning area you want. So for spot cleaning situations, this is very useful. Let's say I spilled something in this area, I can just direct the vacuum to clean specifically that area and you're good to go. At the bottom here is a charging button. And then up here, you have even more settings. You have advanced mode, you have auto boost suction. Basically, this means that when the vacuum detects a carpet, it boosts suction so that the carpet is cleaned better. You have auto empty functionalities. You can schedule cleaning, so auto cleaning and then area cleaning. So you can schedule it and schedule which areas you want to clean. You have continuous cleaning, do not disturb mode, and then reminders for like changing out your cleaning cloth. Additional settings give you cleaning log, accessories usage, voice report. You can rename your robot too. Right, but what can this thing do? It's time to make a mess. So like I said, we're in the studio, so one of the things we have a lot of packaging. So this gets on the floor. Let's see how well this robot will vacuum this mess. Spot cleaning time. I think this should be here. That is a proper mess, right?
Starting cleaning.
So I paused it to check just what it got. There we go. Yup, it's all clean now. You know, sometimes when you're snacking, you make a mess. So let's test it. Right, that is a proper mess. So we have like finer particles and more coarse particles. Let's see. Oh, what a mess. Okay, so let's do a custom clean.
Starting cleaning.
Wow, okay. Nice. Right, let's try out mopping. So I've already filled this up with water. Let's close it up. Let's go.
Mopping plate has been installed.
See what happens when we start to mop.
Starting cleaning.
Yep, that's wet.
Returning to charge.
Nice. Now, it doesn't seem like a lot, but I do specifically like that it's not too wet. Floor is nice and clean, and I just press the button. Let's see how much dirt we cleaned up. Oof. Oh my gosh. Ask DEEBOT to start cleaning.
Okay, now your DEEBOT is cleaning.
So this does connect to your smart assistant, which means you can just ask Google Assistant or Alexa to start your vacuuming process. And if you think about it, a lot about this vacuum makes everything more convenient. From the self-cleaning docks to automatic cleaning modes like the one for your carpet, to its disposable components like that self-sealing bag and that interchangeable mop head. And considering that there are so many choices when it comes to cleaning scheduling, spot cleaning, or even no-go zones, it's just a very easy and convenient cleaning machine that allows you to sit back, relax, and enjoy. And that was our look at the DEEBOT N8 Plus. Personally, I'd always recommend adding a robot vacuum to your home roster. Daily automated cleaning is a life changer. This is definitely a good buy for your smart home, and if you're looking to get this particular one, there are big discounts on Black Friday or Cyber Monday. I'll link everything in the description box below. That's it for today, you guys. Let me know what you think about the DEEBOT N8 Plus. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's ECOVACS _ on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Until next time!